Good afternoon. I am Zane Szentimrey, and I will be talking about the nutrients in barley and the effects of the malting process on the nutrients. First, barley is the fourth most grown crop. Barley is used in many food productions, including beer, bread, and any fiber products. Beer is the third most consumed beverage, and this is why the research is important. Barley comes in many varieties, which can be categorized by covered, hulled, or hullless, and then two-row or six-row barley, which are depicted here and here. Barley contains 6 main bioactive ingredients. This includes phenolic acids, which help reduce the risk of strokes, cancers, and coronary heart diseases, flavonoids, which are used to also help against cardiovascular diseases, ligands, which display antioxidant properties at low concentration, and pro-oxidant properties at high concentration, which are non-beneficial, and tocopherols, which are most commonly found in barley and help prevent the development of LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol. There are phytosterols, which act as cholesterol, but for plants, which help prevent LDL cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Folates are crucial for one-carbon transfer reactions, and a deficiency can lead to anemia and fetal neural tube defects. A review on the malting process. So there are 3 steps: the steeping, the germination, and the kilning. Steeping is when the barley grain is dunked or submersed in water for 48 hours with breaks so the seed can air out. Then this goes into germination, where the seed is allowed to start to germinate and sprouts. The maltster determines how long the germination process will last, same as the kilning. The product of the germination is named green malt. The green malt is put into an oven where it is dried for the kilning or drying process. This deactivates most or all enzyme activity within the seed, but this has the greatest effect on the final product, and which is why the maltster highly regulates this. Now, the malting process will produce a total phenolic content at a maximum point when it was green malt, but it's minimum before any malting process occurs. The germination duration affects the total phenolic content, and then there is an optimal point for each variety of barley, but these depend on different conditions for length and temperature. Another method of increasing the phenolic content is an Elicitor treatment. And an Elicitor treatment is a treatment where it triggers a hypersensitivity response in the plant, which is where the plant kills the cells surrounding the infected area to prevent the infection spread. It is found that the Elicitor treatment increases the phenolic content in the grain. Now, the flavor of the final product. There's 4 main flavors that our tongue can recognize. This is sweet, salt, sour, and bitter. Each of these is caused by a different compound or molecule in beer. Sweet is the result of residual carbohydrates, such as fructose and glucose. Salt is a result of any inorganic ions found in the final product, such as sodium or chlorine. Sour is caused by organic acids present, which affect the pH of the product. If the pH changes slightly, the concentration of these organic acids changes drastically, which results in their conjugate bases changing. Now, bitter is changes as the antioxidant and bioactive or phytochemical ingredient concentration change to the brewing process. Now, this research benefits society as it will help countries prevent or reduce the risk of diseases within their borders. This will also help microbreweries as they can use this information for their benefit and grow. For environmental, the straw barley plants from harvest can also be used. The straw contains many minerals that will benefit the soil and can be used as a protection layer against soil erosion, which is very common in vineyards and agricultural fields. And it can also be used as feed or bedding for livestock. Thank you very much for listening to about the nutrients in barley and the malting effect, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.